Let's look at the link between wages and productivity. From an input perspective, barbers today cut hair almost exactly as they did in the first half of the 20th century. A chair, mirror, scissors, and sink. By all accounts, fully scheduled barbers have hardly changed the number of haircuts they perform per hour. Meanwhile, other occupations have experienced dramatic productivity growth over the same time frame. For example, the number of bushels of corn produced per farmer has increased by an order of magnitude. Let me tell you that the real wage changes were large, but essentially the same for the two occupations. The did for a wage outcome is zero. Should we conclude that productivity has no effect on real wages? You might want to pause the video to think about answers to the puzzle. You might say there are other things going on, which is not wrong but unnecessarily vague. Farmers and barbers are in the same market. They have a choice of occupation. Real wage growth in barbering largely depends on productivity growth in all of the other occupations rather than barber productivity growth. In markets, assuming that treatment effects are isolated to the treated is a poor approximation. The invisible hand spillovers are no small issue. They are the main event. Essentially, all of the barber's wage gains come from productivity growth outside their occupation.